I have these two ornaments from the Dollar Tree and they look like snowballs. I'm going to take this gold pipe cleaner and wrap it around this paintbrush. Several wraps. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut it in half. And then I'm going to glue it to the center of my ball. I'm going to take another pipe cleaner in the black and wrap it around my art brush, and I'm going to just snip the ends off. And now I have two eyes. So we have two eyes and the snowman's nose, and I'm going to glue these on. I'm going to take Republic Red and a little bit of Snow Owl and create this pink tone color. And using an art brush, I'm going to add some rosy cheeks. Then I'm going to take my brush tip Sharpie and add a mouth using dots. I found this snowman's hat ornament at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to tear off the rim of the hat. And then I'm going to cut into that rim and create a circle going around so we just have the rim. And then I'm going to glue the rim to the top of my ornament, the snowman face. And then I'm going to take the top portion of the hat and glue it to the top of his head. And this way it's going to look like it's on his head versus just sitting on top. And then I'm going to take some glue and push the two back together so that there's no gap. I found this candlestick at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue my snowman head to the top of the candlestick. There are so many things you can use this snowman head on, whether it's a jar or anything to use as a body. I'm going to put a scarf around the top portion of the candlestick, and then you can decorate as you choose. I did the scarf, and then I took this snowflake ornament and these berries and added them to the corner of the scarf. And this is the snowman ornament, or the snowflake ornament, I'm sorry. And I'm just going to glue it in place. I found these spiral sprays at Hobby Lobby. I cut the sprays off and I twisted them on the stem of the candlestick going upwards and just bringing some decorative interest to my project. I'm going to add a few more berries to the base, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com, and don't forget our cutouts.